What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Araceli and this is aracelichanyt DIY. Cricut just came out with their newest and fastest cutting machines, and right behind me I do have the Cricut Maker 4. So in today's video I'm going to share a couple of super simple projects that I created with it to help me spruce up my craft space. Now if this is your first time here, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're wondering if the investment is worth it and have been thinking about getting one for yourself, this is your sign to take advantage of the new launch of the Cricut Explorer 4 and Cricut Maker 4. They're Cricut's newest and fastest 13-inch cutting machines. I myself got the Cricut 4 Sage Essentials bundle, and let me tell you, you're going to get a faster machine along with several tools, a mat, and even different materials to make 10 or more projects. The bundle itself is $449.99 but has an added value of $125 with everything that's included in it. Another really cool thing is that Design Space did get an update, so it's going to make it easier for those new machine owners to have a beginner-friendly experience to start creating and learning using the Cricut machines. I love the sage color, and of course the machine looks super sleek. It does have a couple of compartments in here where you can put some of your tools. This one is going to be a little bit deeper, so you can put your bigger tools like your scissors, and then a smaller one in here so you can put smaller tools. I always like how smooth it is to just open it and it's going to start setting up for you. And in here it does have the compartment where you can put all of your other tools and keep them separated. So you can put these longer tools here and then these in here. It also has a slot where you can put your tablet or your phone in case you are working off of those. That way you can have it within view when you're working on your project. Most of all, I just love how easy and quick it is to set up so I can get started on my projects right away. So setting it up is super easy. It does come with a USB cord or you connect through Bluetooth. I prefer using the USB cord just to make sure that I don't have any connection problems at all. But again, you have both options and it's super easy to open. You just lift up the lid and then everything else comes out. It's such a beautiful machine. I also do have this Cricut roll holder, which is actually for smart materials, so you don't have to use a mat. Now, once you log into your Design Space, it's going to be really easy to go ahead and find your machine and then set it up. And then it'll walk you through all of the steps of how far away you have to keep it from the wall, just to make sure that all of your materials have some free space in the back. And then just connect it. And again, you have the USB option or the Bluetooth option. These are all the really simple steps that you have to go through to start your first project. Make sure that everything is calibrated and everything is aligned. Now, once all that's set up, you can go into your Design Space again and you can start creating your project. I always get really excited when there's a new Cricut machine launch, especially because I get to experience all these new features. And I also like that they bring in new color options. So for this launch, they have this really pretty sage color that I got, as well as a seashell color. And as you guys know, sometimes I have a harder time getting my project in because of time constraints, because everything else I have to do around here. But this Maker 4 was made to be up to 2 times faster than my previous Maker 3. Plus they improved the accuracy, so I'll be able to get my projects done a lot quicker. It also precision cuts up to 300 materials like iron-on, fabric, plastic, and in this case I am using smart materials, which are my removable vinyl. Now by using the smart materials without a mat, I can make projects that are as long as 12 feet, which is perfect if you love making signs like I do. You know what's really cool too is that it does have a built-in sensor, so it's going to recognize and precision cut around inkjet printed images so that you can create full color stickers and so much more. So again, if you like making signs or if you like printing out stickers, this is definitely going to be the machine for you. Now I really wanted to create something super simple that you guys could follow along to, but I also wanted to create a sign for my background here. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity. And I also want to cover all of my storage bins in my dream box so it doesn't look super cluttered. I found a free SVG file that I could upload as well that already has like the dimensions and stuff. It took me a little bit longer to figure out exactly the spacing that I wanted. I only printed one sheet out that has like all the different sizes for my bins. Another material that I like to use a lot with my machine is cardstock, but because it is compatible with 13 other tools, not only can you cut, you can also deboss leather, cut wood, and even engrave metal. And for this project, I really like that I can do two functions in one, where I can write on the cardstock and also cut it out at the same time. That way I can get a lot of my project done in no time. And now with that said, you're also going to be able to write, draw, foil, and score so that you can create unique projects with text, illustrations, and even easy to fold creases for cards or even 3D projects. And in case you're wondering about working with a mat, you can also use a smaller one like this one if you're not using smart materials, or you can create projects that are up to 12 by 24 inches with a longer mat. Now mark your calendars because the Explorer 4 and Maker 4 will be available in Sage exclusively at Michael's and in Seashell at Cricut.com starting February 28th. The price is lower than previous generations of machines, so you don't want to miss this deal. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Thank you so much for Cricut for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!